In this video, we're going to set up quicksets in Onyx 25. Now, quicksets are really important in order to increase productivity when using Onyx. So the first thing I'm going to do is going to go to File. I'm going to go to Manage Printers. I'm going to click on my printer and I'm going to go to Configure. I'm then going to go to my Quicksets tab. I'm going to go to New. So these are the options that we have. So I'm going to set a new one up. I'm going to call this one 5-layer printing. So every job I bring into this is now going to use my set 5-layer settings. So on this, it says get media and page size from printer. That means that these top ones here are going to be auto-populated by whatever you have over here. However, I don't want that. I'm always going to be printing 5-layer on a optically clear material. So I'm going to uncheck. I'm going to go to my job here. And I'm going to change that to light film. Then I'm going to change this one to my white 3-layer specialty mode. And I'm going to change my print options then to set up for 5-layer. So it was on custom, customize. It's always going to be CMYUK data on top and the bottom. I'm going to use multiple files. It's always going to be 2 at the top, 1 at the bottom, and labels are going to go on that side, and the bottom is going to be mirrored. So before I press OK, we now need to go to our layer 2, which is going to be white fill with the printer. So that means the printer is going to create me a white plate, and then we're going to put a block out, which again will be created by the printer. So I'm going to press OK on that one. So that's now set up in there. So I'm happy that's doing what it's meant to be doing. I'm going to press center as well. I'm just going to OK that. Then I'm going to check the box that says print using multiple print layers. So that knows that it's going to be printing those 2 PDFs for page 1 and page 2 together at the same time using the multiple layers. I can change my input profiles and have that set for my certain quickset. I can use my spot color replacement tile, and I can also then set up using my cutter, which I'm going to. With the cutter, I'm going to tell it to automatically generate a cut box for me. So I'm going to go down to here. It says generate tile outline. Click on the little settings cog. I'm going to say, right, wherever I see the trim box edge, that's where I want the cut line to be. And I'm going to output it onto the cut layer for my cut file. Use cutter prefix paths are all about what names are available. So if you have special names set up on your cutter, you can input them here. Then we have sort of our output instructions, so hold for operator, and we can even put the operator name in there. Sizing, magnification, so we can scale up using this quickset. Number of copies, we can always add copies and change the rotation. We can also mirror. And there's our multi-page PDF as well. Now in the advanced options, we can do things for sort of step and repeat and tiling and bleed, and our output labels and things like that. Going to press OK, OK again, and press Done. Now if I go to import a job, so open, I'm going to find a 5-layer job. So this is just a double-sided job. I'm then going to choose my new quickset, 5-layer printing. Press open, and it's now going to set that job up for me in the correct setting. So media mismatch, and that's because it's not using our current setting up here, so I need to change that to light film, and you'll see now it's available there. Now if I open up my preview, you'll see there is my job, perfectly ready to go. So that makes it very straightforward for setting up for 5-layer printing on Onyx 25 for your Canon Colorado. So that's how we use quicksets on our Onyx 25.